11th of August 2024. Oh my god, what's that? Original.
Yeah.
These are amazing too.
Yeah.
That's symmetry. It's the best.
74. Yeah.
74 capacity is 1 per 20 grams. Well, at least second best maybe. Or
Yeah. Some cocktail here. Some Šimulionio or something. It's 4, yes.
Karoliniškės, Vilnius, Lithuania. You got the old instructions in Lithuanian and Russian.
Yeah.
And all the emergency phones.
Yeah.
Amazing idea.
Hmm.
So strange.
Yeah, or this first floor for some reason.
Yeah. No, these buttons are rare.
Yeah. I have filled some with these buttons in Karoliniškės before also.
Yeah. Do they have them in Latvia also somewhere?
Yeah.
We haven't found them.
Yeah. It's built by Vice and maintained by Shilo. Yeah, I forgot it.
And this one's still working well.
Yeah.
Luckily it's not so vandalized.
Yeah.
It's one of the best in Vilnius.
Yeah.